To create alerts using the Crypto.com app, start by opening the app and navigating to the portfolio page. Here you can view all your assets and their current prices. To set up an alert, select the asset you want to track and click on it to go to its details page. On this page, you will find the option to set a price alert. Click on the price alert option and choose the condition for the alert, such as when the price goes above or below a certain level. You can then enter the specific price at which you want to receive the alert. After setting the condition and price, choose the notification preferences, such as receiving a push notification or an email when the alert is triggered. Once you have set up the alert, it will be active and you will receive notifications when the condition is met. You can manage all your alerts from the portfolio page, where you can edit or delete them as needed. It is essential to keep in mind that alerts are based on real-time market data and may not reflect the exact price at which you can buy or sell an asset. Also, be cautious not to over-rely on alerts and always do your own research before making any investment decisions. By following these steps, you can effectively use the Crypto.com app to create alerts and stay informed about market movements. This feature can be a valuable tool in helping you make informed investment decisions and staying on top of your portfolio.